JT. This is gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna show you how to make perfect rice every time with basic white rice. Here we go. So the key to this is three things. One, rinsing the rice. Two, the right amount of water. Three, the right amount of time. Rinse the rice, right amount of water, right amount of time. Here we go. I'm gonna make 2 cups of rice. And that's about right. And then add water. You don't need to measure. Rinse it around. And here's the trick. You pour out just enough water until the first rice wants to fall out. Right about there. That's it. Now I top it off with 4 cups of water. Boil it for 20 minutes and it's done. Perfect every time. Add some salt. Put it on high. Cover it. Once it starts to boil, give it a stir. Scrape it off the bottom so it's not sticking. Turn it all the way down to simmer. Cover it. Set your timer for 20 minutes. All right, we're done. Shut off the heat. Perfect rice. Look at that. No water left in the bottom. Perfect flaky rice. Doesn't get any better than that. You're welcome.